What's up, guys? I haven't posted in a while. Got another piece of shit 308. It's got a engine shutdown for mass airflow. Got my nice little umbrella on me. It's like 1,000 degrees out today. I've shown this before. That's the mass airflow plug. It's got a voltage code, and I can see. You kind of see the discoloration in this wire here. Look, it's broken inside. That'll do it. I've seen it all over these 308s. These harnesses are garbage, and they just break internally. So I'm gonna fix that, and that should fix it. So I haven't posted in a while, but that's what you get when you buy these 308s. You get shit wiring. Thanks, guys.